of people make this mistake. They get the home loan, but then they go and shop around. They go and buy BMWs and Porsches and stuff, and then the home loan gets declined. Please don't change your income expenses ratio. Hi, I'm Opperman and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover a topic. What are the steps to obtain a home loan? So we've got a finance expert here today, Mr Tumelo Matlou. A lot of experience. I've been walking a road with this man for around 10 years and he'll give us some tips on how the home loan process works, but how to get the loan. Over to Tumelo.
Thank you so much, Hannes and your team, for having me in your beautiful studio. I'm really honored and blessed.
Thank you, Tumelo.
Yeah,
thanks.
What a wonderful and profound topic.
Yes.
The steps that the banks follows and also our customers in order for them to obtain a home loan. Let me start by saying the first thing before our customers, before they can dream anything, do a pre-approval and check if you are able to afford for a property. It's good when you approach an estate agent to say, I want to buy a property, having a certificate or having something that you say, you know what, I qualify for this kind of amount. So let's do a pre-approval the first thing.
Tumelo, sorry, if I can just come in there. I mean, as a property sales company, it's so true what Tumelo is saying. A lot of times, you drive around with a client, but he doesn't even know for what they qualify. It's an absolute waste of time. So the client might fall in love with the property and say, Hannes, we want to buy it. We sign the offer. We go through all the effort just to find out 2 weeks later, application is declined. Number one, it affects your credit score because now you put an application in, but you don't even know if you qualify. So, and also not to waste your agent's time and your seller's time and your own time. And you get all your hopes and dreams up for nothing. So please do a pre-qualification. It will also show your agent that you are serious.
Yes.
And they'll make effort and make sure to find you the right property.
Very true, Hannes. Then after getting the pre-approval, you need to approach your property practitioner, estate agencies that we have in our country.
Like Hannes Opperman Properties?
Yes, accredited.
Accredited.
They will take you through the process, which you'll sign an offer to purchase. It's important for our customers to know that an offer to purchase is a legal document. It's binding.
Yes.
So when we sign it, we need to know that we are signing for something that it's legally binding.
Thank you.
Then you take the offer to purchase, go to the bank that will assist you in obtaining the finance. They will take you through the documents that they need. If you are individual, they need your ID, your payslip, your bank statement, and if there's a company involved there, they will need your financial statements of the companies, your SARS IT A34 when necessary.
Tumelo, sorry for coming in there. So you're welcome to just leave a comment down here below or send us a WhatsApp. We actually have the list. We've compiled a list if you're self-employed on what exactly is necessary. What exactly do the banks need for that home loan application? It's quite a number of documents, but we assist you in that. Tumelo and his team can also assist in that regard.
Yes. Then what they will do, Hannes, the bank will assess your application based on what you have declared to them, the documents that you've submitted. Then they will issue with what we call, normally we call it AIP, approved in principle letter, which has got conditions. The first condition will be we grant you the bond subjected to the valuation of the property.
Yes.
Subjected to the fact that there will be no changes on your credit profile. So it's important for people to read those two conditions.
Can I just come in there? No changes. So a lot of people make this mistake. They get the AIP, they get the home loan, but then they go and shop around. They go and buy BMWs and Porsches and stuff. And then the home loan gets declined. It once happened to a client of mine who went and bought a car while she was busy obtaining a home loan. So what the bank are actually saying, please don't change your income expenses ratio. When you can make more money, no problem, but don't go and make expenses because it affects your affordability and then you might lose the loan, even though it's been approved. So wait for the home loan to register. After the house is registered, you can then go back and apply for finance, but not while you are busy.
Good
Does that make
advice
sense?
there.
Okay.
Good advice there. When the AIP is issued, valuation is done, the bank will come back and issue with what we call a quotation.
Thank you.
In that quotation, it will cover your installment, it will cover your term, it will cover your interest rate. You've got 5 days as a customer, according to the National Credit Act, to accept that quotation. Once you've decided, say, I'm happy with what the bank is offering me, you sign, then the bank will do what we call a happy call, just to go through the code. Some bank will still go and do the verification if the verification was not done upfront, whereby they confirm your employment, just to check if the documents you have, they are valid.
Thank you.
Once that is done, they will do what we call a grant or attorney extract. So they take your application, now they take it to the attorneys who will
The next level.
Yes, yes. The bank works with the bond attorneys.
Thank you.
Yes, and there is also transferring attorneys which are appointed by the seller of the property, and the bond attorneys are appointed by the bank. Then
By the
they
bank.
will instruct them, they will call you in, then that's where the two of them will start engaging.
So, Tumelo, I've actually done a video some time back that's really going to come in handy here. So, somewhere on the screen, we'll put up the link to that video that will explain to you the process going forward from here. So, once the bond is approved, what's happening from there? The steps of the attorneys, the deeds officers. So, please go and check out that video. That's also going to give you some awesome information. So, Tumelo, it was awesome having you on the show today. I could really hear that you're an expert, and please, you could reach out to Tumelo and his team, or either to myself and my team, and let's make your dream come true. I mean, buying a property, it's probably one of the biggest financial investments you'll ever make in your life, and it's worth putting in the extra effort and learning and educating yourself how to do it. Guys, until next time.
Thank you so much, Anis.
Tumelo, thanks. God bless.
Appreciate it. Thank
Cheers.
you.